So this is what I would like you to do. Come by the time I see. I don't know what you listen on. You could be listening on your speakers. You could be listening on your headphones. But if you're like me and listening to your speakers, turn that shit up. Nga Keith. Yo, man, I've been working on this album for 2 years. And I can't wait to finally say it's over. You know, this is my first album, Yamina Songola, and you know, it was fun, and at the same time it was challenging. You know, I didn't know how to mix. I was making a beat, but I took my time to make this shit happen.
Yeah, I smell fresh, I do. I smell fresh, I look neat, something like I get again. I'm in a gift and I'm back again. I think it's taking music, love, I could not Steven, I can have a second day. Love getting down when you pass 2 years ago, it's just one, the second game, Tubob, now she says, so I'm got good ass. Trying to feel like loading Ghana, that area. I connect the fastest right area. Singing, taking in the fancy, I'm telling you. And I didn't get elastic, cause I never dwell a good and you're not BF material. Look on in Ghana, BF, na shelly wow. Marani love a mistake. Ego main shit, get me, now I love you, no. Chopella, Nga Tshamiseki. Nga Tshamiseki, time I gotta check it funny on me.
I'm getting under so wrong.
Yeah. Baby, what do you mean? You only say sorry cause you know that you mean. I won't get sweet on your mother, send it to me. I hope I'm gonna show my well believe I'm a body. Baby, what do you mean? Yeah, let's talk about it. Why do you do this to me? Why only anybody? Nah, baby, hell no, I need anybody. And they happen to me. Everywhere I go, the break and go. You win, I own everybody.
So don't go back.